Press a potato into salt. This trick is a real lifesaver. Take a regular potato, but make sure it's fairly large. Cut it in half, then dip it in salt. Let it sit for a moment so the salt can bind with the potato. Use this salted potato to scrub your pot. The results are visible almost immediately. Potatoes have cleaning properties mainly due to their starch content, which acts as a natural abrasive and absorbent. Use this trick, and your pots will look brand new. Enjoy your clean pots, and don't forget to share this tip with friends. Apply this mixture to the burnt pan. You'll be surprised by the results. To prepare this amazing cleaner, you'll need ingredients you likely already have at home. First, take a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee to it, preferably ground coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The fine salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stubborn stains and burnt spots. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps eliminate greasy and tough stains. Mix everything carefully until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface and let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic. Then, scrub the pan with a sponge. The results are almost immediate. Use this trick regularly, and your pans will look as good as new. Enjoy clean pans, and don't forget to share this trick with your friends. Don't throw away eggshells. They're too valuable. You'll be surprised at what they can be used for. Take a pot of water and put the eggshells in. Boil them for a few minutes, then drain the excess water. Next, spread the shells on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven for an hour or 2 at a low temperature. This will perfectly dry them out. Eggshells break down easily. Then prepare a blender. Put the shells in the blender. If dried correctly, the shells should easily break down. Blend them into a powder. Add a spoonful of laundry detergent and blend again. Then add a spoonful of baking soda and blend once more. After proper blending, the mixture should become a fine powder. Transfer it to a container. Now, take your burnt pot and sprinkle the powder onto the burnt areas. Use a wet sponge to scrub. As you'll see, the pot looks like new. Eggshells have become a perfect cleaning agent, so never throw them away again. Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. No more messy stovetops. My grandmother shared a secret trick with me that keeps my pots from boiling over. This simple method prevents water from boiling over while cooking. Imagine never having to worry about a dirty stove or overflowing pots again. You can prevent this by rubbing the top of the pot with 2 common kitchen items. This easy technique creates a barrier that stops water and other substances from spilling over the sides of the pot. This way, your kitchen stays clean, and you can focus on other tasks. Whether you're cooking pasta, potatoes, or rice, this solution is both practical and economical, as it uses products you likely already have in your kitchen. Just before placing the pot on the stove, smear a small amount of fat, such as butter and oil, on its upper edge. Try this trick and see how much easier it can make your life. You'll never have to clean a burnt stove or keep an eye on the pot, as if it were your precious treasure. Surprise your friends with this knowledge and enjoy stress-free cooking every day. I add dish soap to my detergent, and it's so surprisingly effective that I want to share it with you. Mix 1 part dish soap with an equal amount of regular vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and the salt helps remove residues. Next, add a small amount of water and mix everything until well combined. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel and close it with a dish soap cap for easy dispensing. Test it on a few dishes. This combination is perfect for cleaning dishes. Glass will be crystal clear and porcelain dishes will shine. Washing and cleaning dishes has become much easier with this new mixture, cutting cleaning time in half. No one in my family uses regular dish soap anymore. This enhanced soap with salt and vinegar is 100 times better. Every dishwasher has a hidden function. I use it when the dishwasher is full and won't accommodate any more dishes. Everyone knows that the dishwasher won't function properly if you load it with large bowls or pots that block the blades. You also can't wash tall glasses that won't fit on the upper rack. You've surely faced this problem before. It's impossible to use the dishwasher in such cases. You end up taking out and rearranging dishes endlessly. But it turns out that the same dishwasher can accommodate all these dishes. Tall glasses can fit on the upper rack. Or you'll finally be able to place large dishes on the lower rack. How is this possible? The dishwasher has a certain hidden function. Few people use it. Some dishwasher users don't even know about it. Yet it's incredibly important for everyday dishwasher use. In every dishwasher, you can adjust the upper rack to 2 different heights. You can lower it or raise it. If you're loading tall dishes on the lower rack, then raise the upper rack. If you have tall glasses to wash, lower the upper rack. Some dishwashers have special buttons for this. In others, you just need to grab the upper rack when it's extended. Are you using this dishwasher function? Did you know about it? Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier.